It was a great workshop. I got to learn so much that I didn't know about financial planning.
Attending Taressh Bhatia's workshop today has given me great insights as to how I should change my approach towards earning and growing my money.
It was a very useful workshop. I really enjoyed it.
Like the positive affirmations that he had given today for us to apply in our daily lives. I would love to tell everybody that you should come for his sessions, you should listen to his talks. This is something which was very informative for me.
Learning with Taressh Bhatia the basics of finance, and it was very eye-opener and an exercise which pushed us to put our finances in proper folders, create that calendar, when to do what to do, and how to create that financial security and financial freedom to live the life of our dream.
The Richness Principles workshop really changed my mind that money is not a very tough thing to get. It's easy if you can change your mindset, if you can reprogram your mind.
Mr. Bhatia's workshop today really helped me to understand the financial tools available to us which serve for good investments in the future for our family life.
This has benefited me a lot.
I would like to tell everyone that it has helped me get rid of a lot of disempowering beliefs I had about money, and there was a very nice exercise that he made us do, which was about the outcomes. So he made us look for the outcomes and not just the results, which was a big mind shift when it came to how I was looking at money.